Xerox Primelink B9100 series printer, replacing the fuser cleaning web. This UI message notifies the user to replace the fuser cleaning web. Caution: the fuser web must be used 0% remaining before replacing. Use the following procedure to confirm the fuser web is at 0% remaining. Press the machine status button. Tap the Supplies tab. Confirm the cleaning cartridge says 0%, replace now. Call your administrator. If the cleaning cartridge is indicating 0% remaining, power off the machine to prepare to replace the item. Wait until the UI goes blank and all panel lights go out. Once all the lights are out, open the front door and turn off the main power switch. Caution: let the machine cool for at least 50 minutes before proceeding. Unlatch handle 2 and pull out the drawer. Remove and retain the front fastener. Loosen the rear thumb screw using your fingers or a coin. Caution: if using a coin, use care to ensure the coin does not drop into the machine. Remove the fuser web cartridge by lifting straight up using your hands positioned on each side of the cartridge as shown. Locate and unpack the replacement fuser web. Position the replacement fuser web in the machine. Tighten the rear thumb screw using your fingers or a coin and reinstall and tighten the front fastener. Push in the drawer and secure it with latch handle 2. Switch on the main power switch and close the front door. Press the secondary power button to finish powering up the machine. Once the machine is booted, notice the UI message is still directing you to replace the cleaning cartridge. This message must be cleared manually from the admin mode. Press the Login Logout button. Enter your case-sensitive admin password. Default is admin. Then tap Enter. Notice the UI now indicates you are logged in as an administrator. To clear the message, press and hold the 9 and stop keys together. At the Replace Consumable screen, tap the Yes soft button. User Guide, System Administrator Guide, and other documentation are available online at https://www.support.xerox.com.